Salut les PM! A new video about Over the Hill and the few changes I made on the application. I invite you to watch the introduction video about what Over the Hill is and how it's a very useful product management tool. But for this video, I would like just to focus on the new things. So right off the bat, I moved the dot section below the graph and the snapshot calendar, just to allow to use this space a little bit better. And for the rest, it's pretty much the same. You can still add dots, you can change their color, you can change their size. The thing that is new now is that instead of having a delete button, you actually have a little ellipsis menu where you can actually archive a dot. So when you archive a dot, let's say I want to archive dot 1 because this is done, you will find the archive dot below and they are grayed out. And as you can see, they're not showing up anymore into the graph. You can revert that by simply just doing unarchive and the dot will just reappear in the position it was. The function of deleting still exists, so you can still do that. I'm going to cancel out here, but you can still delete the dot. In the same spirit, you now have several options at the collection level. First one is to change the name. So when you click on this little edit icon, you can change the name. So let's add 1. And when you press enter, your name is validated. You can as well use either the tick bar here or the cross to cancel out. And immediately you can see this collection name has changed. You can as well delete a collection and you can as well archive it. So when you archive a collection, you will actually find the in the menu a new item, which is archive collection. And you can see that there is a counter. When you click on archive collection, you can see all of your archive collection, and from there you can either delete it or unarchive it. So if you do unarchive, you'll be able to grab your collection again. The other big feature that I've been working on is to render the entire application more private. So for the version, the first beta version, your data was basically stored in plain text. Now we have a full end-to-end encryption. So I cannot see the collection name, I cannot see the dot names, I cannot see any snapshot. I created like this little privacy settings menu just to give you a little bit more information about what's really encrypted and what are the different information that we store and what is encrypted. While I was doing that, I as well added a little data management section where you can here export all of your data, and it will really like put the entirety of your user preferences, your collections, your dots, your snapshots, and so on and so forth, and store it as a JSON file. And you can as well delete all your data. Once you do this, actually clicking that button, it will export all of the data, and it will actually do as well a full export so that you can later on re-import it if needed. It will delete your account and log you out. So yeah, this is the few features that I added. I corrected a ton of bugs. I did a lot of code reviews as well to solidify, to make the application more robust and give you like a very smooth experience. All right, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy it. And if you want to have an access, just simply head over to overthehill.forbear.fr and send a request access, and I'll grant you access. All right, that was it for today. Thank you very much. Bye, everybody.